Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Get ready to elevate your gardening game with our guide to the best garden carts. From hauling soil to transporting tools, we've researched and tested the top contenders to make your gardening experience a breeze. Join us as we unveil the ultimate companions for a more efficient and enjoyable time in your garden. Let's roll into the green paradise together. Stay tuned for the best picks. Number 1. Max Sports Collapsible Outdoor Garden Utility Cart. The budget-friendly Max Sports design is an excellent choice for those with financial constraints. With a maximum weight capacity of 150 pounds, it's recommended for light gardening tasks. Despite its modest load-bearing capacity, the Max Sport rivals larger competitors in durability, featuring a robust frame and thick fabric that ensures reliable performance with each use. Additionally, it offers a diverse selection of colors, allowing you to pick your preferred cloth shade. Functioning as a folding wagon, the Max Sports requires no assembly time and is convenient to store, collapsing to a mere 10 inches in thickness. Noteworthy is its adjustable handle, which extends and retracts, accommodating users of all sizes and allowing for a comfortable pulling angle. Overall, it represents a significant investment for the prudent gardener. The handle-equipped backside boasts 2 bottle holders for hydration during gardening sessions. Furthermore, each cart is equipped with a lower compartment for carrying bulkier items like umbrellas and chairs. This versatile cart can serve as a garden companion or accompany you to the beach, offering practicality in various scenarios. Key features: comes in a compact design, made of sturdy 600D fabric. It is incredibly easy to set up. Telescoping handle. Number 2. Gorilla Cart's Poly Garden Dump Cart. In our testing, the Gorilla Cart's 4 cubic foot dump cart stood out with several noteworthy features, but what truly impressed us was its efficient quick-release dumping system. Although exertion is required to pull or push the wagon, particularly when it's fully loaded, the dumping process proved to be effortlessly simple. Activating a lever on the front of the frame did the heavy lifting, propelling the tub backward and expelling its contents with ease. Beyond its dump functionality, the cart exhibited exceptional maneuverability across a variety of terrains commonly encountered in backyard settings, negotiating mulch, gravel, pavement, and landscape edging in our obstacle course posed no challenges. Additionally, with an impressive weight capacity of 600 pounds, it comfortably accommodates the storage of 2 large bags of mulch. While we admire the cart's design, it's important to note that assembly took us over an hour. We recommend enlisting the assistance of a friend and, if available, power tools to expedite the process. Despite the assembly time, the instructions provided clear guidance with step-by-step illustrations. Another observation was a slight deflation of the tires during use. However, this did not seem to impact the cart's durability or performance. We suggest reinflating the tires after periods of inactivity to maintain optimal functionality. Pros: quick-release dumping system, high weight capacity, very easy to maneuver, padded handle. Cons: long assembly time. Number 3. Gorilla Cart's GOR6PS Heavy-Duty Garden Cart. The Gorilla Cart's GOR6PS Heavy-Duty Poly-Yard Dump Cart effortlessly transforms garden work into a stress-free experience with its modern and stylish design. This cart not only promises but delivers on its commitment to make your work sessions hassle-free. One remarkable feature is its ability to carry an impressive 1,200 pounds without a hint of tire wobble. A testament to the innovative frame design, this frame not only facilitates quick assembly but also excels in providing a perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility, expanding the ground you can cover and delivering a precise turning radius. The pledge to eliminate the work from garden work is reinforced by the rugged and robust poly bed that effortlessly bears heavy loads. Moreover, the bed is easy to clean, eliminating concerns about post-use cleanup. Adding to its versatility is the 4-wheel design, ensuring enhanced balance and convenience, allowing you to transport a wide range of items with ease. The substantial 1,200 pounds capacity further emphasizes that this cart is not just making promises. It genuinely enables you to carry a considerable load with unmatched convenience. Key features: fitted with a 2-in-1 handle, comes with a 1-year warranty, can pull up to 1,200 pounds, heavy-duty construction to handle. Number 4. Vivasun Heavy-Duty Collapsible Folding Wagon. For those in search of a garden cart that combines easy storage with the capacity to handle dry leaves and various yard debris, the Vivasun Heavy-Duty Collapsible Folding Wagon is worth consideration. Equipped with 7-inch hard wheels featuring ball-bearing assembly, this wagon ensures smooth and effortless movement. Unfolded, the bed measures a generous 36 inches by 22 inches by 15 inches, providing ample space for transporting yard waste or carrying plants and gardening supplies. According to the product specifications, the canvas bed can accommodate up to 176 pounds. While we found this to be reasonably accurate, we recommend distributing the weight evenly across the bed to avoid any potential issues with heavy objects puncturing the canvas. Additionally, the Vivasun features a slim, flat cushion that fits into the bottom of the wagon. However, upon discovering the presence of steel bars underneath, we concluded that the cushion lacks sufficient padding for a child to comfortably ride in. Despite this, we couldn't resist testing the wagon's versatility by hauling a cat around, and to our amusement, the feline passengers seemed to wholeheartedly approve. It appears that the cushion serves primarily for aesthetic purposes rather than providing substantial padding. Number 5. VIVOHOME Heavy Duty 880 lbs Mesh Steel Garden Cart. The VIVOHOME foldable garden cart boasts an alloy steel construction that imparts a remarkable load-bearing capacity of up to 880 pounds, making it a true heavyweight in the realm of garden carts. Its large-capacity design caters to extensive hauling needs. The fully welded steel alloy not only enhances its robustness but also ensures long-lasting durability. The substantial size of these wheels not only aids in shock absorption but also facilitates easier cart movement, particularly on uneven ground. The 180-degree turn capability of the handles enhances maneuverability, proving beneficial when navigating tight spaces in the garden. Furthermore, the removable sides of the wagon add versatility to its functionality, allowing for a range of applications. When not in use, the cart conveniently collapses for efficient storage. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and elegant hauling experience, transforming arduous transports into streamlined, one-time trips. Whether engaged in general yard work or tasked with transporting heavy or unwieldy items, this dolly proves to be an invaluable companion, showcasing exceptional maneuverability even when fully loaded. Features: 4 pneumatic tires, 880-pound capacity, steel alloy construction, removable sides.